Hi, I'm here because I needed my medication. Can you help me with that? I was going to take my morning dose this morning, but I ran out, so I need more. My mom says she will give me extra because she is on the same medication, but she told me I should come here first. Is the doctor here? Can I see him?
And who are you, sir?
Oh, my name Jack Mitchell. Will the doctor see me?
Okay, Jack, I can't promise you that you'll get to see the doctor, but first I need to.
What do you mean I can't see the doctor? They told me I can come in and get meds.
Okay, sir, what is your date of birth? I'm not finding you in our system. I don't even have a Cardex here. Are you a patient at this branch?
Yeah. I saw the doctor last time I was here, but I ran out since then. Is he going to be able to see me before 11? I've been here for over 20 minutes already. My date of birth March 12th, 81.
Okay, Jack, like I said already, I don't see any information on you here. Hold on, let me see if I can find your chart. Okay, according to our records, you haven't seen us in over 10 months. Where have you been getting medication from till this morning?
Because I had extra. Is that a crime? I already saw 3 people go upstairs, and I'm still waiting for my meds.
Sir, those people had appointments. You are a walk-in.
Well, I don't see what the big deal is. You all gave me some extra, and then my primary gave me some Xanax cause I was getting panic attacks, and I think I need more of that too. Do you have samples of Xanax?
No, sir, we don't have samples of that. I don't know whether the doctor who is here today will give you meds, based on the fact that you haven't been here in almost a year.
It hasn't been a year. I know I saw him 3 months ago.
Yes, as a walk-in. You were given a 1-month medication supply, and asked to come back at your appointment, but you never did.
Well, I was in the hospital. What could I do about that? My spider bite had MRSA, and I had to get it drained. They took all my meds, and wouldn't let me call y'all to reschedule.
Okay, Jack, do you have your hospital discharge papers?
No, what do I need that for?
To prove you were in the hospital. It would at least give the doctor a reason why you did not show last time.
Okay, they're in my car, I'ma go get them.
Okay.
I thought they were out there, but it's not. Could you call them for it?
No, I can't ask for hospital records that way. Listen, I will go ask the doctor, but again, I can't make any promises.
Yeah.
Okay, Jack. I spoke to the doctor and he asked me to give you a new appointment. There is an opening next Monday. Can you come back then?
Is he giving me my meds until then? Is he going to make me take my mama's medication? I don't have a good memory, you know. Nobody ever calls to remind me of my appointment. I left that secretary a bunch of messages and she ain't called me back yet.
Well, sir, I'm really sorry about that, but...
Well, what am I going to do now? I need the Xanax.
Sir, we can't give you Xanax because you said someone gave it to you. We've never ordered it for you in the past.
Yeah, but it's the only thing that works for me. Are you just going to let me suffer because you won't give me my meds?
Sir, I don't make that decision. And we are not responsible for reminding you of your appointments. You were asked to come back.
Well, I don't drive.
I thought you just went to your car.
No, that's my fiance's ride. And she gotta be to work at 11. Can I just come upstairs and talk to the doctor for 1 minute? It isn't gonna take me more than 2 minutes. All he gotta do is write the scripts.
No, Jack. The doctor is asking that you come back next Monday and you can discuss the meds you need with him on that date.
That's fucked up, man. That's fucked up. Where is the office manager? Can she write my scripts right quick?
No, sir. She's not here right now, but I can ask her to contact you when she returns.
Man, I'm not waiting on nobody. I need my meds. You all don't serve patients. You just give people the runaround. I hope you like your job, because you'll be fired soon. You don't help anyone.
Okay, well, I'm sorry you feel that way. We will see you on Monday and we will get you what you need.
What if I get the hospital papers and come back with them today?
Well, the doctor has already made his decision. You would have to be back before 12, and if you don't have your own car, how will you return?
Can I ask my case manager to fax you the papers? And then can I give you my pharmacy's phone number to call the meds in? I don't see why I can't get the medications called in. I'm going out of town soon, and I don't want to run out of my meds. I can't believe you are going to let me wait until next week for my meds.
No, we can't call in your meds. You have a case manager.
Yes, she is the one who told me I could come in today. So you're telling me I have to suffer now, huh?
Well, I'm sorry, but it is ultimately the doctor's decision, and he has never met you before. He would rather you come back on Monday. Please see the front desk secretary and she will give you your appointment card. Your appointment is for 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. I can't make it near that early.
I'm sorry, do you have a job? We can give you a doctor's note.
No.
Will you be watching your children?
No.
So why won't you be able to make it? If you can't make this appointment, you will have to wait a month.
Man, you guys are playing games. I need my meds. I'll just use my mama's. You think I'm crazy like these other people? I'm not. When I get my disability, I ain't gonna have to deal with this.
Well, thank you for stopping in. We hope to see you on Monday.